Hello children, good morning to all of you, and here we have assembled again in the GK classes, and we are going to study some question answer related to current affairs which is going recently right now. One by one I will share the slides with you and explain. What was the motto of Tokyo Olympic 2021? What is the motto, meaning of motto? What is the motto of Tokyo Olympic 2021? And meaning is, means aim. Motto means what we decide to do. Okay? And that was faster, higher, strength, together. Means fast also, high also, it should be strength also, and together, because in the sports what we need strength, isn't it? And if we do the thing first, we are the winner, isn't it? So faster, higher, and strength, all these three things together. Now let us see the second question. Who is the governor of Bihar? And Mr. Fagu Chauhan, P will be capital. Mr. Fagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. I am showing you the picture of Mr. Fagu Chauhan. Who is the education minister of Bihar? One second. And education minister of Bihar is Mr. Vijay Kumar Chaudhary. Mr. Vijay Kumar Chaudhary. Wait one second. Vijay Kumar Chaudhary. Here you will add Mr. Vijay Kumar Chaudhary, because whenever we write the name of our elders, some elderly person, we use Mr. or Mrs. Okay. See the picture of Mr. Vijay Kumar Chaudhary, and he is the education minister of Bihar, who takes education minister, okay, who takes all the decision related to education and for the betterment, does some changes for the betterment of the education. Who is the present DM of Patna? And the name is Chandrasekhar Singh. We will add Mr. Chandrasekhar Singh. Okay. And what is the work of the DM, my dear? DM takes care of the whole district. Okay. Takes some decision also. Suppose when there is too cold, DM's order come that children will fall sick, so schools should be closed. Or when it is too hot also. Sometimes you have seen in Corona period, DM have applied some police force on the road so that no people should come out of the home, because people usually not take care of themselves. One second. When people disobey, police force have to take action, isn't it? So who is the DM of Patna? Mr. Chandrasekhar Singh. Now I am showing you the picture of Mr. Chandrasekhar Singh. See, this is the picture of Mr. Chandrasekhar Singh, and he is the DM of Patna. Clear to all of you? Now name the women boxer to win a medal in each one of the 7 world championships. And says Mary Kom. My dear, in Olympics 2021 also she went, but unfortunately she got the 4th rank, and that's why she was not awarded with any of the medals. See the picture of Mary Kom. And these are the top 5 achievements of Mary Kom. World Amateur Boxing Championship. Mary Kom is the only female in the world to win the World Amateur Boxing Championship for a record 6 times, not 1, 2, total 6 times. In 2018 Commonwealth Games, Asian Games in 2014, World Championship medals in 2012 London Olympics she won. Now we'll go to the next. Here is write the antonym. These are the homework. Okay, and antonyms of danger is safety. Because if we are walking in between the road, we are in danger. But where we should walk? Always on the left side of the road. Because road rules, traffic rules are made for our safety. Okay? Narrow, wide. Narrow means broad, isn't it? No, wide means broad, and narrow means which is thin. Happy, glad. Sad, when we are in sorrow, we are sad. When we are enjoying the time, we are happy. That means we are glad. Pretty, ugly. Pretty means beautiful, isn't it? And ugly is the opposite of beautiful. Now we will come to the next slide, cold. And opposite of cold is hot. We like to take cold drinks in summer, cold drinks, cold ice cream, cold coffee. But hot drinks we like to take in winter season, isn't it? We drink tea, coffee, soup. These things we drink in winter. Now advantage and disadvantage. What is the meaning of advantage? Advantage means which is the benefits. Okay. Suppose what are the advantages of coming to school regularly? If you come to school regularly, you understand the things which is taught by the teacher, all the lessons you do on time, you improve your handwriting, you improve your reading skill. So these are the disadvantages. And what are the advantages of coming to school regularly? And what are the disadvantages if you don't come, if you are not regular and not punctual? What are the disadvantages? You can't do the things on time, you can't do the things properly. Next is solid, and antonyms of solid is liquid. Solid is the thing which we can touch, which is having a proper, liquid also we can touch, but solid is having a proper shape and size. But liquid, what does liquid have? Liquid in whichever thing we keep it. If we are keeping in the bottle, it is of bottle shape. If we are keeping in glass, it is of glass shape. Isn't it? So, opposite of solid is liquid. And solid form of water is ice. And liquid is water. And if you will make it in the gas form, if you will heat it, it will be in water vapor. That is the gaseous form of water. Now comes blunt. And this is sharp. Sharp is opposite of blunt. And what is the meaning of blunt? Rough, not very sharp. Okay? Now, I think all of you have understood all these opposite words. Cold, hot, advantage, disadvantage, solid, liquid, blunt, sharp. Knife is sharp. Okay? But if we are using some spatula, they are not blunt. We can't cut with the things with it. Sharp thing is used to cut. We avoid sharp object for children, isn't it? Because it can harm you. But blunt toys we give them, or smooth toys also. Thank you children for watching this video. Be safe. Follow the guidelines properly. Bye bye. Thank you.